Hey guys, I am favouritepixels and how to remove dark circle in Photoshop. Let's get started now. So first scroll to be the layer and go to lasso tool. Select your layer. Right click, feather. Select creative 31% opacity. Click OK and Ctrl J. Copy the layer again. Alt merge the layer and Ctrl T, right click, wave, click OK, select the layer and right click, zoom out object, click OK and that it layer after before Control Shift E, merge the layer and this is view layer. Complete the deck. So this is simple you are, and please subscribe on favouritepixels. Please guys supporting for favouritepixels and thank you for watching me and thank you guys and please supporting for every time and complete you 5,000 subscribers on favouritepixels. Please guys, thank you for watching me. Thank you guys.